Mini automatic yogurt maker. DIY. Healthy yogurt made easy. Create fresh, delicious yogurt at home with the mini automatic yogurt maker, packed with convenient features. DIY free combination. Use milk, mushroom powder, or a yogurt starter for personalized recipes. Double layer sealed fermentation. Locks in freshness and flavor. Intelligent temperature control. Ensures consistent, creamy results every time. 1.4L stainless steel. Liner. Large capacity, durable, and easy to clean. Fully automatic operation. Just power on and let it work. Quick, simple, and precise. How to use: mix milk with mushroom powder or yogurt starter. Pour into the liner, cover, and place in the machine. Power on and enjoy fresh yogurt in hours. Perfect for busy kitchens, this yogurt maker is your go-to tool for healthy, homemade treats.